What's good, motivators? Welcome to Two Jam Monish Reacts, where I do reactions to music videos, movie trailers, and short films. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, sign up to my mailing list, and please like this video, as it helps my channel to grow. First things first, if you're the first person to watch this video, please let me know in the comment section that I am number one, and also where you're watching me from. Secondly, please attach your Instagram handle to your comment, because the best comment will be pinned and we can give you some followers. So today I'm doing reaction to Dr. Brain trailer. Am I right? Dr. Brain trailer. Let's get into it.
저 아이는 정말 특이한 뇌 구조를 가지고 있어. 새로운 유형의 천재.
타인의 마음이나 생각을 알고 싶어하는 욕망은 누구에게나 있습니다.
뇌파를 동기화한다고 해서 기억이나 생각을 알 수 있을까요?
그게 왜 필요하죠?
뇌를 해킹하겠다는 소리 아닙니까?
네가 알고 있는 걸 보여줘.
찾아봐.
뭔가 보였던 것 같긴 한데.
박사님은 여전히 살인사건에 연루된 감시 대상입니다.
지금 내 머릿속엔 여러 기억들이 얽혀있고 그걸 정확히 분간해낼 수 없는 상태예요.
아들 저거에 뭔가 석연찮은 거라도 있었나? 임준기의 기억이 당신 머릿속으로 들어왔다는 거죠.
각인되는 기억은 환영 같기도 했다. 내 머릿속에 엉망이라.
찾아봐.
But this looks dope. Like psychological type of. Is it a movie or a series? They had a long trailer.
They're making movies now.
Apple. Is it more a series? Yeah, it's series, no? Yeah. But it is quite interesting. Like for me, I'm a big anime fan. But since they they have been doing a lot of movies and series, but the Asian movie industry is really pushing the boundaries of, like, they're actually making very great series and movies right now. As you would see with Squid Game. But yeah, this looks like a very interesting story of a person entering, hacking people's brains or minds, looking into their memories to look for murders. It looks like he's looking for his son. Also, yeah, quite an interesting series. But yeah, what do you all think? Are you gonna watch it? Are you gonna stream? I know not many people have Apple TV and SA, but if you're outside SA, are you gonna watch it? If you are, please like this video. But yeah, if there's any series or trailers, movie trailers you want me to do reactions on, please hit me up in my comments or hit me up in my Instagram DMs or emails, and I happily do so. Remember to like and subscribe, and peace out.